Why do girls like showing their bra strap?
Because they want to show the color and they want the boys to get impressed.
Oh. So do you think the strap can impress a guy?
Yes.
It's like attraction?
Obviously. Attraction towards their boobs, obviously.
I don't think so. Like just a bra strap can attract a guy. Like bra less can attract him.
Do you think people are obsessed with bra strap?
I don't think people are obsessed with it. They might be obsessed with stuff inside, but like not the straps.
Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna ask the question which you guys have commented in the comment section. But before I do that, why do girls like showing their bra strap?
Now we're just tired of, hiding our straps. Like everyone here knows we wear bras. I mean, it's not a new thing.
Okay.
So might as well, like get fancy straps.
Sometimes just by mistake they show it, and sometimes some girls are a little slutty by nature, so they like showing it.
If you're wearing it, you have to show it.
Okay.
So I guess you can show it if you're wearing it.
It's just like it's a part of what you're wearing. So it's just like fine if you have it, flaunt it.
What should a guy do when a girl is accidentally showing the strap?
Nothing.
Do, in the sense,
Like-
do nothing, just stare. That's it.
Just stare, your friend. Like he should come and tell you, what, your strap
Yeah.
has been coming off. Something like that.
And it's looking good on you or something like that. Some impressive comment.
Oh. Impressive comment she's looking for. You know what? You have a sexy strap.
We realize when it happens, so we don't need people to come and tell us, oh, your bra strap is falling.
Yeah.
You can put it in place yourself.
Yeah. Even they know that like we wear bras. So I think it's quite fine. Like
There are some people who show it on purpose and some who don't. So I think the guys should be smart enough to know the difference. And also they shouldn't like take their imagination beyond that strap.
When we go to buy condoms, you don't buy it generally, I know. You might have heard about it, how people give the signal to, while the people can't directly say, mujhe safety precaution dena, condoms and all. So do you know any signal which you have to give?
मेरे सोल्जर के लिए शेरवानी मिलेगी क्या?
Smart one, soldier ke liye sherwani. But right now he's wearing that sherwani. I guess.
I think I'll just point it out if it's there. If not, I'll just go to the next store.
No.
Yeah, like the other one.
We can just say give us something which controls the population or something.
मतलब हमारी जनता को बचाने के लिए आप मुझे वो दीजिए.
Yeah, because he was भैया ये वाला देना and वो वाला. Yeah, it's just one of the items. Like whether you're buying a condom, whether you're buying pads, I don't see why there's such a stereotype in society. Like it's a big deal.
Do you think demonetization is affecting people while buying condoms?
oh my god, I haven't thought that way. But I don't think it's effective because like condoms are really cheap, right? And
It's a strong one, you can think about it.
Definitely because condoms are so cheap, and I think
So like if you're roaming around with that pink note, you probably can't buy those condoms.
medical shops are accepting those Purane notes.
Oh, सब पता है.
Obviously.
Buy 3 packets.
भैया 500 का सब पैक कर देना. I'm gonna show them some photos. Tell me you like it or not. With hairstyles, okay? I'll show you some photos. Tell me, do you like this hairstyle or not?
No. No.
I think you like him.
Not at all.
yeah, so hot.
So hot.
I think this is like the predecessor of the man bun. He's killing it. No, this is like
अगरबत्ती क्यों जल रही है भाई?
Imagine your mom shows you this pic and you need to marry this guy. What would be your reaction?
I'm a lesbian.
Are you serious?
No.
Give me the high five for this. Rajpal Yadav. Don't you
No.
think he's smart?
No.
I love this.
Mogambo.
No way.
Very nice.
Very nice.
No way.
Like I like the hair color, it's brown because mine is like brown.
I think you'll go on someone younger.
Never.
Never.
Why are you showing me funny photos? Show me hot guys.
Hot guys. Everyone is looking for a hot guy only. The best one. Amrish Puri.
Yeah.
So if your guy comes with this hairstyle, would you be like falling for him?
I don't know, depends on the face that like holds the hairstyle.
I think that can you get him on camera? Divyang, we want this hairstyle on all guys because this is really attractive.
We both gonna do it at the same time.
Yeah.
Promise me bro on the camera.
Yeah, I'll do it.
मैं कसम लेता हूँ.
No.